Buckle up, because here comes a shocker. Would you believe that Canada, the second largest country in the world, with its robust economy and stable political climate, saw a staggering $100 billion in direct foreign investment leave the country in the past decade? Yes, you heard that right. $100 billion. That's quite a dramatic exodus of capital, isn't it? So, the question that naturally arises is, why are investors pulling their money out of Canada? Well, to understand this, one needs to delve into the intricacies of the Canadian investment climate. The first reason is the country's regulatory environment. Despite Canada's reputation for stability, its regulatory framework has been described as complex and uncertain. For instance, there are numerous overlapping jurisdictions and regulatory bodies, and this can lead to confusion and increased costs for investors. Then there's the matter of Canada's tax structure. While Canada has a relatively low corporate tax rate compared to other developed nations, its personal income tax rates are among the highest. This can discourage individual investors and entrepreneurs who might otherwise consider investing or setting up businesses in Canada. Let's not forget about the impact of global economic trends on Canada's investment climate. The decline in commodity prices, particularly oil, has had a significant impact on Canada's economy, given its dependence on resource exports. When commodity prices fall, so does the value of the Canadian dollar, making investments in Canada less attractive. Furthermore, geopolitical tensions and trade uncertainties have also played a role. With the rise of protectionist sentiments and trade wars, investors are becoming more cautious about investing in countries that heavily depend on international trade, such as Canada. Finally, the issue of competitiveness cannot be ignored. With the United States, Canada's largest trading partner, slashing corporate taxes and rolling back regulations, Canada has struggled to keep pace. This has led to a shift of investments from Canada to its southern neighbor. So there you have it. A complex web of regulatory, tax, economic, geopolitical, and competitive factors have led to this massive withdrawal of investments from Canada. It's a fascinating, albeit concerning, phenomenon. But don't worry, this isn't the end of the story. There are still plenty of opportunities in Canada for the savvy investor, and we'll be exploring those in future videos. So, if you found this interesting, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and colleagues who might also find it useful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Because here, we're all about making the complex world of finance and investment simple and accessible. Stay tuned!